Hello, I'm going to show you how to get more credits in Hailuo AI. So there are 3 daily login credits. New users receive a one-time welcome bonus, typically 1000 free credits to start. These may expire within 2 to 3 days if unused. On the free plan, logging in daily can earn you 100 bonus credits per day, allowing roughly 3 short videos. These credits usually expire after 24 hours. However, reports indicate the system can be inconsistent, sometimes matter hours different each day, or missing entirely. Failed generations that violate policy or timeout are often refunded automatically, instantly restoring credits. Also, there are subscription plans. There is Standard, which gives 1000 credits per month, Pro, which gives 4500 per month, Master, which gives 10,000 per month, and Ultra, which gives 12,000 per month. Also, you can purchase additional credits. You can top up credits without a subscription at rates like 70 credits for $1, usable for up to 2 years. For some services, you may find one-time credit packs with volume discounts, and that's it.